always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. You know what is true? Hag say, the first water him catch, him a go walla in it. And of course, if we're to say that in standard English, it would be the hog or the pig says, the first dirty water I see, I will wash in it. In other words, make use of the first opportunity because there may not be a second one. It may be the only opportunity, so take it. The water may be dirty, things don't look so bright, but there may be much benefit in it, so go after it. Yes? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know the Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really